Hello, my name is Haitham Amin. I go by Sam. I'm the principal attorney here at Amin Law in San Francisco, California. Today, we will be discussing California Penal Code Section 211, also known as robbery. I will also discuss the elements in which the district attorney's office will have to prove, as well as defenses and possible punishment if there is a conviction. A robbery can be in the first degree and in the second degree. First degree robberies include, as an example, a robbery of any driver or passenger on a bus, taxi, streetcar, subway, cable car, etc. Also, any person in an inhabited structure or any person who had just used an ATM and is still in the vicinity of that ATM. Second degree robbery is any other kind of robbery that is not listed as a first degree. The district attorney's office will have to prove the following in order to secure a conviction. Number one, you took the property that was not your own. Number two, the property was in the possession of another person. Number three, you took the property from the other person or his or her immediate presence. Number four, you took the property against that person's will. Number five, you used fear or force to take the property or prevent the other person from resisting. And number six, when you used fear or force to take the property, you intended to deprive the owner of it, either permanently or for a long enough time to deprive him or her of a major portion of its value. Four common defenses to fight off a robbery charge. Number one, you didn't use any force or fear to take the property. Number two, you honestly believed that you had a right to the property. Number three, you are a victim of mistaken identity. And number four, you were falsely accused. Penalties. First degree robbery in California is punished as a felony. The potential sentence and other consequences include 3, 4, or 6 years in a California state prison and or a fine of up to $10,000. Also, a felony formal probation. But if you commit a first degree robbery in an inhabited structure in concert with 2 or more people, then the potential state prison sentence for a PC 211 robbery increases to 3, 6, or even 9 years in prison. Robbery in the second degree is punished by the following felony penalties: 2, 3, 5 years in state prison, a fine of up to $10,000, and a felony probation. In addition to the robbery penalties I just mentioned, there are a variety of sentence enhancement that may add to the consequences of a robbery conviction. These include great bodily injury enhancement. If, while committing a robbery, you cause another person to suffer great bodily injury, which is defined as substantial physical injury, then you could be subject to an enhancement. This sentencing enhancement can add an additional 3 to 6 years to your robbery sentence. Another enhancement that's commonly known as a 10-20 life, use a gun and you are done enhancement provides for a significantly longer sentence for defendants who use a gun in the commission of a robbery. Specifically, you'll receive an extra 10 years for personally using a firearm in a robbery, 20 years for personally and intentionally firing a gun during a robbery, and 25 years to life if you cause a person great bodily injury or death with a firearm during a robbery. It is important to remember that Penal Code 211 is considered a violent felony. So, it is considered a strike offense under California's three strikes law. This means that if you have a robbery conviction on your record and you are subsequently charged with a California felony, you will face twice the normal sentence for that felony. And if you accumulate 3 strikes convictions or more, of which may be a robbery conviction or some other enumerated felony, then you'll receive a sentence of 20 years to life in state prison. Thank you for watching this video. I have a team of professionals who are ready to help. All you have to do is pick up the phone and give us a call. If you found this video educational, I would greatly appreciate it if you can share it. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.